How to learn about crypto chart. To learn about crypto charts, it is important to first understand what a chart is and how it works. A chart is a graphical representation of data that is used to visually represent the relationship between various elements. A chart can be used to track the performance of a cryptocurrency or any other asset over a period of time. To learn more about crypto charts, it is recommended to review online tutorials and resources that focus on the basics of charting. There are many free online tutorials available that can teach you how to read and interpret a chart. Additionally, there are a number of online resources that provide tutorials and guides on how to use charting software to analyze and track the performance of a particular cryptocurrency. It is also important to research and read about the different types of charts and the different indicators that can be used to help you make more informed decisions. Finally, it is important to stay up to date on the latest news and developments from the world of cryptocurrency. By following news related to cryptocurrency, you can help ensure that you are making the best decisions when it comes to investing. How to know it's right time to invest in crypto? The best way to know when it is the right time to invest in crypto is to do your research and be informed. Before investing, it is important to understand the risks and rewards associated with investing in cryptocurrency. It is also important to understand the market dynamics, the technology behind the cryptocurrency, and the different types of assets available. Additionally, it is important to read up on the latest news and developments related to the cryptocurrency of interest, and to look into the past performance of the asset. By doing this, you can better understand how the asset has performed historically, and how it may perform in the future. Finally, it is important to be aware of any potential regulatory changes that may affect the asset, and to be aware of any major news events that could influence the price of the asset. By staying informed and doing your research, you can better determine when it may be the right time to invest in crypto. Which is the best crypto exchange all time? The best crypto exchange all time depends on the type of crypto asset being traded, the country the user is located in, and the user's individual needs. Some of the more popular crypto exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Bitstamp, and Huobi. Each exchange offers different features and advantages, so it is important to research and compare the different exchanges before making a final decision. It is also important to make sure the exchange is secure, offers competitive fees, and has a good reputation. Additionally, users should also make sure that the exchange they are using is regulated, and that it offers a variety of different coins and tokens to trade. Is cryptocurrency future currency? Cryptocurrency is not yet a mainstream form of currency, but it is becoming increasingly popular and accepted. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can be used to store and transfer value, and it is decentralized, meaning it is not backed by a government or central bank. It is becoming more widely accepted as a form of payment, and some countries are even beginning to adopt it as a legal tender. While cryptocurrency may not yet be the future currency of the world, it is rapidly growing in popularity and acceptance, and its potential for changing the way we use and exchange money is undeniable.